Hello, data warriors. Welcome to Rax Technologies, a place where you find use case scenarios and real time interview questions on Power BI, Tableau, and SQL as well. So, do subscribe, guys, for this channel. So, today we are going to discuss one of the important concept is how do we actually use artificial intelligence in Power BI. So, as we already know that artificial intelligence is becoming a greater tool these days in especially dashboarding world. It will definitely reduce the amount of time you create visuals, and it will give you the insights in much faster way. So if you want to understand about your business in less than 2 minutes, you can use AI features, AI capabilities in your dashboard reporting tool. So these days, especially higher management will ask the trends of your data, how your business is performing, what are your key insights, what are your key metrics in your business. So how do we actually do without spending much time in the reporting world? That is we are going to discuss in today's lecture. So the, in today's lecture, as I said, let's say use AI in Power BI, artificial intelligence in Power BI. So we have specific AI visualizations in Power BI where you can use in achieving your goal. But in especially in today's lecture, we are focusing on one of the important visual called key influencer. So key influencer in Power BI is especially used if you want to understand that your key metrics which is influencing your outlet sales or profit or margin. So before we discuss the visual, we can understand the data a bit. So I'm taking a Blinkit grocery dataset, and you can find this dataset in Kaggle as well. We have item identifier, item weight, fat content, visibility, type, MRP, and establishment year, size, type, right? Outlet sales. So our goal is to understand this outlet sales and what are the key influencers for this outlet sales. At which point of time in my business the sales got increased? At which point of time in my business my sales got decreased? So just to understand those key metrics, if you want to go by column by column, it may take a lot of time for us. So in order to solve this problem, Power BI came up with something called AI visuals, where you can directly drag those columns and you can quickly understand what are the key points which are influencing your sales margin. Let's say I'm taking a new page here, and from your list of visuals you can select something called, you can see AI visuals, right? So we have different AI visuals. We'll definitely discuss on each and every AI visual in later part of this series, but let's focus on key influencer. So what are the parameters, what are the fields we have is analyze and explain B. So what do you want to analyze? I would like to analyze our item outlet sales. So this is one of the sales column in Blinkit grocery Kaggle dataset, and I would like to explain this item outlet sales by let's say fat content, okay, and location and size, also item type. Let me item type as well, I would like to see. Okay, so if you see this visual, right, what influences your item outlet sales? And when my outlet sales get increased, when this outlet type supermarket is type 3, outlet size is medium, and outlet type is again supermarket type 1. So for these three key factors, my sales are high. And also if you see the bar graph, outlet sales is more likely to increase when outlet size is medium. So if your outlet size is medium, your sales will going to increase. So if you want to get this quickly key influences, we can use a visual. And this is one of the important point, right? This can be a base for analysis, and we can move forward and a bit deep into your analysis by basing on these particular key points. And you can see the list of options here. You can decrease as well. So outlet type grocery store, right? The average sales decreased by 2.11k. Outlet size is blank and outlet type is tire. And you can see this outlet sales is more likely to decrease when outlet type is grocery store than otherwise. Okay. So if you again, when it is a outlet type is supermarket type 3, then your sales will get increased. So this is how you actually use key influencers in your Power BI visuals. As I said, we have other AI visuals as well in Power BI, where we are going to discuss in future sessions as well. But if you want to understand a bit more in AI, right, you can take any data set and you can try creating key influences visual, and you can quickly comment in my comment box saying what are your findings, so that we can discuss a further bit there as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.